alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You know how Ramadan Kareem, bro.
Non-emergency vehicle traffic is banned until noon. A classic snow day for New York City schools with no virtual instruction today.
One light and I sit here. Asphalt? Yeah, no. Ramadan day 6 and today's a snow day, so we're having our first ever white Ramadan. Going the entire day, I've been super lazy, just staying in bed. We watched the documentary of John F. Kennedy Jr. I actually used to work for Calvin Klein. I actually had the privilege during one of my summers when I worked there was to go visit one of their archive warehouse where they keep all their celebrity fittings, and I did see her closet and a lot of other celebrity. Seeing people now talk about it is so like nostalgic for me because I actually was once a fashion intern in the city. That summer was the reason why I fell in love with New York City and I became an extroverted person, and now I'm here. I think like everything kind of started there for me. So yeah, I've been just like thinking about it the entire day, although I've been like in my bed. Officially did Ramadan 6-7. Ramadan day 7. Guys, I'm hosting my friends for iftar. We're doing a potluck edition.
What do we do? We sometimes want others.
I'm gonna bake this soon. Prepping my cheese quesadilla. Beef quesadilla. I have brownie, which I'm gonna put in the oven. Sushi bake. This is quesadillas. Yeah. Mubarak. Wait, I no.
Really cute. I mean, the present, wow. I would pay you to make me some.
Really? How much?
Like $5.
The first 10 days, spending it alone and spent it with a couple of new friends and old friends. The days I spent alone were the most transformative time of my entire life.
Like learned about them.
Wait, I have been...
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Miss Influence.
Fascinating.